Welcome to Top Tech. Today, we'll take a look at the most popular and efficient wood saws in the woodworking industry. Let's explore their features and applications in this video. This is the John Deere 959M Tracked Feller Buncher, one of the most powerful machines in the forestry industry. Engineered to handle the toughest challenges, this machine excels at quickly and safely felling large trees with remarkable efficiency. The John Deere 959M is equipped with a robust track system and cutting-edge technology, ensuring maximum performance even on the most challenging and uneven terrain. Its advanced hydraulic system and powerful engine allow it to operate with precision and speed, making it an indispensable tool for forestry professionals. With its reliability, strength, and efficiency, the John Deere 959M is the preferred choice for those who demand the best in forestry equipment, offering unmatched productivity and safety in the field. The Caterpillar 552 Series 2 Track Harvester is like a skilled dancer in the world of forestry, blending raw power with graceful agility. Designed to thrive in the toughest environments, this machine moves with the strength of its powerful tracks and the precision of its flexible cutting arm, handling even the largest trees with swift accuracy. And when the sun goes down, there's no need to worry. Caterpillar 552. Series 2 lights up the night, continuing its work with a cheerful efficiency, thanks to its advanced lighting system and cutting-edge technology. No matter the challenge, this harvester takes on the task with a smile, bringing a touch of joy to every job. The Tigercat 870C feller buncher is like a fearless explorer, built to conquer the most challenging terrains with ease. No matter the conditions, this machine charges forward, delivering top-notch performance every step of the way. With its powerful cutting arm and the ability to handle multiple trees at once, the Tigercat 870C ensures that the harvesting process is swift and efficient, without ever compromising on quality. But it's not just about muscle. This machine is also smart, with a design that makes maintenance a breeze, optimizing uptime and keeping operating costs low. The Tigercat 870C is the perfect blend of power and practicality, always ready to tackle whatever the forest throws its way. The Husqvarna 572 XP chainsaw is like the dependable sidekick every lumberjack dreams of. It's built for those who demand high performance and reliability for the toughest tasks. With its robust engine and expertly crafted design, the 572 XP zips through wood with lightning speed and precision, even when the going gets tough. This chainsaw isn't just a powerhouse, it's also easy to maintain and built to last, making it a trusty partner in all your forestry adventures. Whether you're battling through dense timber or facing harsh conditions, the Husqvarna 572 XP stands by your side, turning every job into a smooth, efficient operation. The John Deere 437E knuckle boom loader stands out as an ideal choice for fast and efficient wood handling. Its powerful lifting capabilities and precise operation ensure a smooth and safe wood transport process. The well-designed operator cabin offers comfort, while the responsive control system makes executing complex maneuvers effortless. This combination of strength, precision, and user-friendly design makes the John Deere 437E a reliable partner for streamlining wood loading and processing tasks.
The Morbark 2036 is a high-performance wood chipper designed to efficiently process hardwood, softwood, and branches into wood chips. Equipped with a powerful engine and sharp blades, it quickly handles large volumes of material, boosting productivity and saving time. The Morbark 2036 is an ideal solution for businesses needing a durable and efficient wood chipping machine. Bandit 2590 XP is a powerful wood chipper with a 765 horsepower engine designed to efficiently process large logs and timber. It features durable, adjustable chipping blades that optimize the chipping process. Additionally, the Bandit 2590 XP is equipped with automatic safety features, ensuring the machine stops immediately upon detecting foreign objects. With its exceptional performance and high durability, this machine is ideal for businesses in the wood industry. The Doppstadt AK 530 is a high-performance wood grinder and shredder with a powerful 530 horsepower engine. It efficiently processes wood, branches, and green waste, reducing materials into smaller, more manageable pieces. The machine features a modern cutting system and intelligent control that enhance productivity while minimizing fuel consumption. Its robust chassis and flexible tracks allow the AK 530 to operate effectively on various terrains, making it an ideal choice for wood processing and biomass waste management. The Hanza C16 is an efficient wood chipper designed for handling wood processing tasks. Capable of chipping materials up to 160 millimeters in diameter, it operates with high power and effectiveness, reducing both time and effort required for wood processing. The Hanza C16 also features a design that minimizes noise and vibration, providing maximum convenience for users. The Komptech Crambo is a robust wood chipper designed for efficiently processing wood waste, branches, and biomass materials. With its high capacity, the Crambo can handle hundreds of tons of wood per hour. It turns large wood pieces into smaller chips, ideal for pellet production or biomass fuel. Its durable design and effective cutting system enhance performance while minimizing maintenance costs.